Welcome. In front of me I have the Hollyland Lark M2, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the microphones themselves. Okay, so let's just get straight into this. So we have a decent feeling pouch. We have our Type C to Type A cable, a headphone jack to headphone jack, or well, mic, or like jack to jack, and then pop filters for these pills. And I have to say, this design is pretty dope. Or is it over here? So we have volume. Okay, cool. Anyway, so we have two different pop filters. I presume you just kind of put it over this little capsules right here. Next we got a clip, magnetic one. So if you don't want to use the these, you can swap it out for a clip that would magnetically attach. You just actually take it out. Yeah, man. There we go. I just want one. So here it is. And you replace this with this. And I can just kind of clip it on. Pretty neat design right here. No, it's pretty good. Next in here we have a linear, again magnetic one, and you can maybe hang it over your neck, and again just clip it in instead of this one. Now when it comes down to, let's see, some material, I'm gonna bring this in, see how well it holds. And that is like on there, to be honest. I really need to be just tossing it around to just for the magnet to let go, as it does hold pretty well. So now I can obviously, if I try to get it unclipped, there we go, but that is like me actually putting effort to try to get it unclipped. Obviously you're not going to be getting hit by a car, and if you are, for this to fall off, I'm pretty sure I have bigger concerns than mic flying off. So yeah, in terms of the other components right here, so we have two different pills right here for mic pills, and then we get the hub for controlling volume or gain, the power for it, power button, quick mute button, I think battery check or linking, I believe, I'm not necessarily sure. Indicator lights for which ones are active right here, and the charging at the bottom, so it connects to the one at the bottom. Now these might probably be discharged out of the box because they do have plastic right here that protects them from charging, but yeah, that's about it. Now one more thing, we also have these. So can directly plug it either to your iPhone or to your Android device with the Type-C or Lightning port, and use this, or well, this would basically, the pills would connect to this, and it would act as your phone's microphone out from there. So this is also pretty cool design. Now, one thing that I kind of feel like it's a miss, they could have done it so both of them are in one, and you just have it like on both sides, or just one is, for instance, retracted, and the moment you push this one, somehow flip a switch, the other one could pop out on the other side and this one would hide. This would basically just kind of give you one less thing to carry and worry about while having more versatility. Though you can also use two of these, connect one pill to one, for instance iPhone, one pill to the Android device, and with this actually still, I guess, pretty good. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.